Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Place sunglasses on a soft microfiber cloth in a well-lit area. Remove any loose debris by blowing gently and tapping the frame. Wear nitrile or latex gloves to protect skin from solvents and oils. Avoid ammonia or window cleaners because they can damage lens coatings. Keep a bowl of warm water at about 40 degrees Celsius and a soft toothbrush ready. Have 70% isopropyl alcohol or mild dish soap available for cleaning instructions that follow. Test the method on a small, inconspicuous area for 30 to 60 seconds first. Dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl alcohol and gently rub the printed text in one direction. If ink lifts, continue working in 10-second intervals until removed. For stubborn markings, apply a pea-sized amount of non-gel toothpaste and rub gently with a soft toothbrush. Rinse with warm water and inspect the lens for remaining residue and abrasion under bright light. Rinse both lenses thoroughly with warm water to remove alcohol, toothpaste, and loosened ink. Dry lenses using a clean microfiber cloth and inspect under bright light for residue or scratches. If fine residue remains, repeat the alcohol swab for 15 to 30 seconds and rinse again. For visible scratches, consider a plastic polish applied sparingly following manufacturer instructions. Store sunglasses in a protective case and avoid harsh chemicals to preserve anti-glare and UV coatings long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.